Moving ahead, the Supreme Court is set to examine the Union government's new policy on uniform pricing for consular passport and visa services, regardless of whether applicants choose to avail additional value-added services. This follows a petition filed by an Indian citizen residing in Oman challenging the pricing structure outlined in the revised request for proposals issued in February this year. The petitioner had earlier approached the Delhi High Court, arguing that the new policy marked a significant shift from the 2014 framework. Under the old system, when you applied for a passport or visa from outside India through Indian embassies or consulates, you were charged only for the basic service, and any extra or optional features like courier delivery, SMS updates, photocopying, etc. were charged separately only if you chose them. These were called value-added services. But in February this year, the Union government changed the rules. In the new request for proposal, third-party service providers, that is, private vendors who help with visa or passport services abroad, are told to quote a single all-inclusive price whether or not the applicant uses any extra services. So everyone pays the same amount even if they don't use courier, SMS or any other extras. This means that someone using only basic services ends up paying more than before. The cost has allegedly gone up as much as 1617% for some people, even when no optional services are taken. The Delhi High Court had dismissed this PIL, saying that the petitioner lacked locus standi, and pointed out that existing bidders had already challenged certain aspects of the RPF. The High Court had also questioned whether the matter could be treated as a PIL and noted possible issues with territorial jurisdiction. Challenging this dismissal, the petitioner has now moved the Supreme Court, arguing that bidders may not be concerned with uniform pricing and that the High Court wrongly denied them the right to raise a broader public interest issue. Hearing the plea, a bench of Justices K.V. Vishwanathan and N.K. Singh issued notice to the Union government agreeing to examine the matter further. The case is now listed for further hearing on 25th July. Stay tuned.